Five best products to help over-the-counter products to help you get rid of bed bugs. Okay, I'm sharing the five best products as far as my recommendation that will get rid of bed bugs. Bed bugs are very traumatizing. When we get bed bugs and we find out what they are, we go through this we go through this process of trying to get rid of them. We do this, we do that, we call exterminators, we call, pest control companies and everything, only to find out we're still getting bit. We're paying tons and tons and tons of dollars, a lot of money to get rid of these bugs. I experienced bed bugs back in late 2019. It was late 2000, yeah, I believe 19. And ever since then, I have been on a quest to just help people get rid of bed bugs. The experience was so traumatizing to me. I thought I was going to end up in a mental institution. It was not a lot of information out about these bed bugs. I've created tons and tons of videos. I get comments every single day. And I know that people are so traumatized that they just don't want to keep going through a playlist to try to find out which videos they should watch. So I've just created this process of five products of my recommendation. It's in an ebook form, and it comes step by step, showing you and teaching you some not quicker methods, but methods. The methods are the same, but it's just put together as to ways you just don't have to do so much searching for a solution. So this is a quick solution. I came today to introduce this particular product to you guys. So if you need a quicker process to get rid of these bugs, then you can purchase this 5-step process. So I'm going to include the link in the description for purchase. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you in advance for purchasing.